Dutchess, touch. Go. A little farther apart.
Okay.
Touch. Dutchess. Good touch. Good girl. I mean, make the two sounds a little farther apart.
Oh,
First,
sorry.
press the doorbell.
Okay.
Then, after it's finished, press the manners minder.
Okay.
Touch. Good. Good. Dutchess, touch. That way, we'll go ahead. Same thing. Good girl. Touch. That way, she's getting rewarded for going all the way to the doorbell. Good. Dutchess, touch. Good puppy.
She's not really paying
Touch.
attention to the doorbell, is she?
Perfect. Now, actually, that rewarded her for not going.
Uh-oh.
So next time, just ring the doorbell again if she doesn't go.
Needs a break.
Now, what does this mean? It means that I have given her too many treats for touching, so she's stuck with me now. Whereas before, she was kind of stuck at the doorbell. She's thinking about it. Ring it again.
Good girl.
Manners minder. Good. Good dog. Dutchess, touch. And she's not going to get a treat from me this time. Touch. Good girl. Ring. Good. Perfect. Good girl. Dutchess, touch. Good. Good puppy. Dutchess, touch. Yeah, what a girl. Good girl. Now I'm going to give her a treat. Touch. Good girl. Touch. You don't even believe I've got a treat anymore, do you, huh?